Okay, this is vegan, yung main plaza nila. And I'd like to see Leona Tolentino. Probably he's a may bank. Yung plaza nila sa bayan. This is Cafe Leona, the place where we had our lunch, late lunch yesterday. Dito naman yung place na kung saan andun yung hotel namin na tinuluyan. And this one is Calle Crisologo. Ito yung Calle Crisologo. Ito yung mga prominent people noon siguro. Si Belo de los Reyes. Cafe Leona. Talagang ito ang Calle Crisologo. Crisologo to, di ba? Ito ang Calle Crisologo. Mahaba yan doon. Tingnan mo ang max dito. Okay.